focus only on 3 questions that I thought are perhaps most relevant. All of these questions relate to the theme of adaptability. So how is it that we can adapt ourselves, our marketing, our businesses in this new normal? And so the whole idea is to give you some tips, some pointers on how you can adapt, whether you have your own business, whether you work in the marketing function of another company, or whether you're just curious about marketing. In marketing, when we sell something, we tend to think of what are some of the attributes that the customer values. Does she value price? Does she value availability? Does she value the features of the product? Does she value the brand? Okay. So the big thing is, I want to focus on what might be the least intuitive. So one is lower brand loyalty. So the fact that it's okay that consumers are buying online, but that also leads in some ways for consumers to not buy things that they were buying earlier and see that as an opportunity. So marketers think of it really as a window where a consumer is actually willing to consider things that she has not considered before. And so this is a time when you actually want to get into her mind, her consideration, and see if you can build a relationship with that consumer. Health and affordability are top concerns. So again, very obvious. The skill that's important here is to understand how these needs are evolving for your consumers over time.